Hi, my name is Patrick Kelly. I'm the honors biology for biotechnology teacher for your child. Just a short video to get acquainted and tell you what our focus is. First of all, thanks for sending your kids to school, even virtually. It's a good group. They're all attending. They're all trying hard. So that being said, I'm going to try to kind of help you understand why we're going to do the topics we're doing and a little bit about how to get help for your child if they're struggling. So this is a kind of in a sequence of classes. We have the honors biotech biology and then an honors biotech chemistry. So if they continue, this is what's called a pathway. If they continue the pathway as a junior, they can take an honors molecular biology biotechnology course. That'll give them 4 units of college credit, and it's also a UC honors, so it's a 5-point scale like an AP class. So it's kind of like an AP without the College Board tests. So if they pass the class with an A, they get 4 units of A college credit, as well as a 5-point A like they would with an AP class. And then if they continue on the pathway, there's an optional class as a senior called it's honors bioethics of biotechnology, where we discuss all of the things that we can do with biotechnology, and we discuss ethically and morally whether we should, because there's a lot of really great things and there are a lot of really scary things out there. So back to what we're doing here. So our focus in this short 6-week semester is going to be to gain the knowledge that they will need when they get to the 3rd year of the pathway. So we're going to concentrate on cellular mechanisms. So we started out with science math, which was really just addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, but applying the rules to measurement to it. So it wasn't algebra, it wasn't algebra 2, it wasn't geometry, it was just those simple math skills, but applying the rules, right? It's kind of like if I give a child to my car, it's not expected that they're going to press on the gas pedal until they think they're going fast enough, and then they'll put on the brake when they think they should stop. There are rules to driving. Just like that, in science, there are rules to applying numbers. So that's how we started. We did a little bit of introduction to chemistry because we have to know how things are put together. Because the way things are put together dictates how the cell works and how it functions. And that's going to be really important to know. From that, we'll go to basic cell parts briefly, and then we'll get into DNA and protein replication, and then we'll probably get into a little bit of genetics. So that's what the focus for this semester is. We're not going to do a lot of ecology and evolution because there's just not time to get it in, right? So I need to make sure I give them the tools that they will need to be successful if they continue the pathway within the 3rd year. It is an honors-based curriculum, which means it'll be quickly paced and there's expected knowledge. But that being said, I'm always available for questions. So last night I was answering questions until about 9 o'clock at night. I do have office hours. People email me and they can drop in on Zooms if they need me to show them stuff. And I've even, when the class didn't do well on a quiz, I opened it up for retakes for the whole class. So I'll monitor the whole class. These are unprecedented times. They're situations that are uncommon to all of us. We do struggle with some technology. And some of the technology doesn't always work well. So if your child is having struggles or problems with technology or curriculum, what I ask is you have them email me first, right? Because if they email me, then I can help them directly, right? And I can devise a plan for them. I can extend deadlines for them. I can help them solve problems. I may give them a short Zoom tutoring session that gives them the knowledge that's necessary to be successful. Right? If you start emailing for your child, then we play a game of telephone. I tell you something, you tell your child something, that tells you something, that tells me something. And in high school, that tends not to work well, right? And by the time your kids are juniors and seniors, they're going to be doing all the communication for themselves. So try to have that first, and if they're still frustrated, then let's by all means get all of us involved so we can work out the best solution for your child. Right? I have a really good track record of getting the best out of my students, and I am here invested in their success. So there was a short chalkboard video showing how classes run, and I'll include that as well. But again, welcome for this semester, and I look forward to hopefully seeing your children in person in the near future, because there's a lot of really cool stuff that we usually do in class and labs, but we don't really get a chance to do that at this point. All right, so shoot me an email if you have any more questions. You should have got a course policy. I'll attach that as well in case you never saw it and your child just signed it for you and forwarded it on to me. And then that's it for now. Bye.